there. Here we are with my patient Kareem.
This is the best result I could ever see.
Are you happy with your results?
Yes, I'm super happy actually.
What does your family think about your results?
They are so happy actually for me. No pain at all.
Nothing.
Nothing
Okay.
at all.
All right.
Yes,
All
great
right.
experience, great stuff, great people.
Awesome,
Everything is
man.
amazing.
This is the suture right here. See that little line there? So anyways, it looks amazing.
Thank you so much. If you just want to find a supernatural hairline and supernatural shape, gonna be just Dr. Bolton, an artist, not a doctor. For me, he's an artist.
Correct. Well, thank you very much
Thank
for
you.
doing this
Thank
video
you.
for us. Congratulations
Yes,
on the
yes,
awesome
thank you.
results.
Thank you,
And
Dr.
thanks for
Bolton.
flying in from Egypt for us.
Yes, thank you so much.